Hi YouTube, Rix here. In this video, what I thought I would do is share with you a little thing that I like to do from time to time, and that is make my own t-shirts. In some of my other videos where you actually see me in the video, you probably noticed that I like to wear t-shirts. And not just regular t-shirts, but t-shirts that have something on it. Now I did make a video, and I'll have that in the description below, the link, where I show you how to take your drawing and transfer it onto a t-shirt. Well, this time what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some words on my t-shirt that says "Don't give up," because my motto is, if Rix can do it, so can you. I'm going to make myself a t-shirt, "Don't give up." And here's what it looks like. Well, at least that's what it kind of looks like. It's going to actually look a little different because I'm going to cut it out in heat transfer vinyl. Now, in order to make this t-shirt, there are a couple of things that I need. One is I'm going to be using this Arteza 14 color heat transfer vinyl. And I think I'm going to be going with white. It comes in different colors, as you see here. There's flaming pink. There's a gray. And then there's a gold and orange and black and blue, orange, another orange. Oh, and that's the one I'm going to use, white. I'm going to move that to the side. And several other colors. Okay, so this is their premium, it says right there, premium heat transfer. And by the way, if you decide you want to get some of this stuff on your own, I'll have a discount code below. At least there will be one until the end of April. I don't know if they'll give me a new one. You'll get 10% off if you use that code and use the link down below, and yours truly will be supported. As it is an affiliate link. That's a disclaimer letting you know.
Now this is my Silhouette Cameo 3, which is the other item that I need to use in order to make my t-shirt, because I'm going to be cutting my white vinyl sheet using this cutter. And it's really simple to use. Now in this case, the instructions with Arteza says that I need to put the backing upwards, and here I'm aligning it to, there's a line there on the Cameo that you line up with on the very left there, and you can see my left hand is pointing to it right there, and I'm just going to line that up, and then I'm just clamping that down and hitting the load where it starts to load the vinyl in. And then at this point is I'm going to send the image in reverse or mirrored. This says "Don't give up" from the software that came with this unit. Okay, the unit here is automatically adjusting to the correct blade, so it will cut at the appropriate depth. It's only going to cut through the vinyl, not all the way through the sheet. That's going to leave the backing intact, which you'll see shortly when I start to peel off the vinyl, that it'll leave my letters behind, which is what I want. And now it's going about doing its business, and it's cutting the mirror image of "Don't give up." And then when it's finished doing this, it will unload, and then I'm going to go directly into peeling the vinyl off. Okay, using this thing, it's kind of like a dental pick. It's a little tool for this purpose. I'm going to start to pick at the vinyl of the area that is around the letters and start peeling those off. You certainly don't want to do this to the letters themselves or your design or whatever it is that you're working on, but you want to do it to the backing that surrounds it, and just start to peel it all off. Okay, and as you can see now, I'm almost done here, and you can see the letters there showing up, and I'm just going to pick what's left, and also that which is inside the letters themselves. You can see the O and the G and the P there. I gotta pick the vinyl that's been cut out of the inside of those, and then I will be all done. And the next step is to take it over to my heat press, which you can use an iron. That works just as well with this vinyl, but I happen to have a heat press, and that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so the instruction says here to heat up my heat press to about 320 and remove the wrinkles by pressing my shirt for about 2 to 3 seconds. And then I'm going to want to let the vinyl cool completely before separating the film. Now, I apologize for the lighting here. The quality doesn't look that great because unfortunately it was very shadowy in my office. But what I'm doing here is I'm going ahead and pressing the shirt for 2-3 seconds to press out the wrinkles. The heat press is already heated up to around 300 and pretty close to 320. It's still clicking up a little bit there, but it's almost there. So I'm taking this time now to center the vinyl, the heat press vinyl there. And once I get that centered really nice, I'm going to go ahead and clamp down on it with the heat press, and I'm going to just let it go. It says go for about 8 to 10 seconds. I'm going to go for a full 12 seconds. My heat press is already set to 12 seconds, as you can see there, and that's what's going to work for me. Now, as the instruction says, to go ahead and let it cool before moving the vinyl backing. Okay, it's cooled down, so now I'm going to carefully peel back the backing, and it's looking pretty good. Yep, nothing left. So I had a complete transfer. And it stretches really nice. As you can see there, just kind of out of the camera view there. Oops, sorry. But it came out pretty good.
Okay, well, what do you think? I think it came out pretty good, and it's on there really good. It says on the instructions though, don't wash it for 24 hours, so just chill it. Just let it chill 24 hours before you wash. I think they're great, easy to use, and by the way, I hope you enjoyed checking out my Cameo Silhouette 3 machine. That thing is the bomb. Really love that thing. I'm going to make me some other stuff too. I'm like, why go out and buy t-shirts and stuff when you can make your own? That's what I like to do because it's art. I like art. I know that you like art because that's why you're watching this channel. And I hope you like the motivational words. Don't give up, because if Rix can do it, so can you. Thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.